Hello YouTube. I thought I'd do a quick video here. I have an idea to make for raising and lowering my antenna much easier than doing the pole or climbing a tower or all that. And my idea is, and this ain't the best picture, I apologize, I'm not an artist. I'm just using this tower as an example, but it'd be some type of a tower system, and I'm going to mount on it a little holder that's going to be on wheels. These are supposed to be wheels, these black things, on a track system, and there'll be a steel cable here that goes all the way up over the tower, and on the other end, on the back side, it'll be a crank or a winch or an electric motor, whatever I come up with. And this thing will roll up and down. And then this is the antenna. And like I say, I apologize for the crude picture. This is the antenna. And this little carriage would roll up and down, whether it's a tower or if I make one out of another material. It could be a telephone pole, and I could weld up some railings for it. It can be just about anything. And then it'll have wheels, whether I use like skateboard wheels or perhaps inline skating wheels, or maybe even garage door rollers. Those are pretty good too. Something that can handle the weather. As for the coax cable, it would hook obviously to the antenna, and I'd have it come over here, and I would attach the coax to this arm. So when you raise the antenna up and down, it's not pulling, the coax is not pulling on the antenna. It would be attached to the arm here. So that's kind of my idea. Now, I don't know when I'll get this built. I got to gather up a lot of materials. I am been looking for a few ideas, and I did come across, or may have come across, a old windmill that got damaged in a storm. We'll see if I get that or not. Maybe I can use that metal. Fortunately for me, I have all the gear to weld and cut and to build anything out of metal. I have welders and plasma cutters and torches and all that stuff. So I'm lucky enough that I have the tools to do this, grinders and etc. etc. So I think that would be a cool way, and I can just lower and raise the antenna instead of doing the pole trick. Or I did change my pole. Maybe I'll shoot a video on that here soon. I took the painter's pole down, and I welded up another pole that's kind of retractable, manually, but it's still kind of a pain. So if I can come up with this, whether I use a telephone pole, whether I use metal off of a windmill, whether I use even garage door railings. You have your garage door. You got the long railings. If you get enough of those, maybe I can get some of those for free, and I can weld them up and make a tower thing out of them. I don't know. I'm brainstorming. Telephone pole would be the easiest way to do it. You can buy those usually fairly cheap. The only problem is hauling it, unless I pay a guy to bring out telephone pole. But at any rate, so yeah, I'm brainstorming some ideas, but that's how this would work. This would ride up, this carriage would ride up and down the tower or the pole or whatever I make it, and the antenna would be hooked to it, and then the crank, whether it's a crank or a winch or whatever, and this way I'm not lowering the tower. I know they have crank towers that you can crank down, but that's kind of a pain, because you got to lay that big tower down in your yard somehow, and you got to get it down there. This, I think, would be much easier with this little carriage. I call it the carriage, that with rollers that can go up and down the tower, pole, whatever I use. So anyway, that's my idea. So post your comments down below, and please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.